found.
Yeah.
It works to the...
Asuntoskeittiö Albertinkatu 12.
And it works to the garden and to the staircases. I think there are only 2 staircases here.
Yeah.
Well, probably no staircases here, but we can check it. It's a beautiful old Kone elevator. Staircase original. 5 floors, 84 fixtures. And it was built in 1939, turned 80 years old in 2019. The serial number is H3083, and in Swedish and Finnish officially. 5 floors, and it's going to be the next year, 2022, bad maintenance.
Yeah.
This is in Punavuori Rödbergen.
Yeah.
It's an amazing district.
Yeah.
Lots of original elevators and also good modernizations, but also some generic, but still not bad.
Yeah. Strange that staircase A has generic elevator.
Or B.
Oh yeah.
But we can still film it as a comparison.
Yeah.
It's still with a gate. So we can compare these two.
Yeah.
Second height cannot press it.
Yeah.
These are like a bit smaller buttons.
Yeah. Spektiippaa kiva, jos pitää meidän teet pääs pois.
But after that one we should try more in Lauttasaari.
Yeah.
But there's still 27 in Lauttasaari and
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Huh?
Second floor.
Yeah.
Let's hope it will open.
Yeah.